When you're looking for something random to do, check out this channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you what I put in my compost. So, right now, I have a wheelbarrow full of black walnut husk. Let's see what else I'm going to use. So here we have old rotten pumpkin from Halloween. Pumpkin 1. Old rotten pumpkin number 2. I have some other pumpkins, but they still look pretty good. See? This one has a little face, and this one looks good. So I'm gonna leave these two. Let's see what else I'm going to put. Okay, we got some leaves, some pine needles, all types of good stuff. So there we go. Ah, the leaves! It's a really windy day. Excuse them. And there's a little bit of grass mixed in here too, so I'm going to collect some of the grass and the leaves to replenish the ones that flew away. Get some of this. There we go. Now let's take all this to the compost. So here I am, back by the compost. Just gonna open this up and throw it in there. You might want to chop up that pumpkin, but I don't feel like it. Now let's get a shovel. So I keep a bowl like this inside of my kitchen, and I store it in the refrigerator to not attract bugs, and I dump it every couple of days right into the compost. Any cut vegetable scraps, seeds, anything, just dump it right in there. Whoops. I be making a mess. And that's it. And just fill the rest of this up with everything I have in my wheelbarrow. And then we're going to give it a big old turn. Pick up some of that stuff that fell. Gotta be careful not to pick up a dog poop. Now let's give this thing a turn. Now let's check and see how it's looking. Great. I come out and turn my compost once a week. But depending on what kind of compost you have, maybe you have to do it more than that. Thank you for watching my video. Tune in for the next one. If you would like to see me do something special, write it down in the comments. Like and subscribe.